Ramazan Burak Güler. Here is my physics 102 project. The aim of my experiment is to examine the correlation between the capacitance and the distance between plates, and the correlation between the capacitance and the dielectric material. The theory related my experiment is C equal to epsilon A over D, where epsilon is electric constant, A is the area of the plates, and D is the distance between the plates. Here's my equipment. Each of my homemade capacitor has two aluminum plates. They are glued to the wall to prevent the bending. And my experiment consists of two parts. In the first part, I examine the effect of the distance between the plates. In the second part, I examine the effect of the dielectric material. I move on with measurements. In the first capacitor, the distance is 0.9 centimeter, and all of this capacitor, the area of the plate is 100 centimeter square, and the capacitance value is 12.5 picofarad. The second one's distance is 1.9 centimeter, and this is the capacitance value. This time the distance between the plates is 2.9 centimeter, and this is the capacitance value. Then the distance between plates is 3.9, this is the capacitance value. Then finally the distance between plates is 4.9, and this is the capacitance value. In the second part of my experiment, the variable will be the material between the plates, between the capacitor. I have four different materials: wood, dry wood, PVC foam, polyethylene, and paper. When I put these materials into the capacitor value should be kappa times the initial value. Kappa is the dielectric constant for materials. I use the capacitor with the distance 4.9 centimeter. I begin with dry wood, and this is the capacitance value. The second material is PVC foam, and this is the capacitance value. My third material is polyethylene, and this is the capacitance value for this material. Fourth and last material is paper, and this is the capacitance value for paper. Throughout the experiment, I observed that with increasing distance between the plates, the experimental value of capacitance are decreasing, and when I put the different dielectric materials between the plates, I observed that the capacitance value is increasing with corresponding kappa values of these materials.